Right, so let me show you how to add a weather wallpaper to the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. So you go to settings, under settings, scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then let's tap on add new because we want to create a new cover screen. And then in the create with AI section, go and select weather, tap on try now. It may or may not ask for permission to access your weather information. You go ahead and grant it that if in case you haven't. And then now it's going to open your gallery, pick the photo you want to use as your wallpaper. And then as you can see, that's what it's going to look like in the different weather. So for instance, if it's snowing outside, it's going to snow. If it's raining outside, it's going to show rain and stuff like that. And then now you can tap on done. And on your cover screen, you will now have a weather wallpaper showing you the current weather. Thanks for watching and good luck.